On to next, our favorite brother, Mr. Bennie Miller. So Bennie Miller, I think Bennie has been with us ever since the beginning of Sequoia. I still believe that when we did our first convention in Las Vegas, I think he was there, looked at us, and realized that what we're trying to do, and decided to join us. But anyhow, I leave the floor to Bennie. Bennie, would you come online, please?
Good evening, everyone. Can you hear me?
Yes, we hear you well.
Okay, good. My name is Bennie Miller, and I'm right here in Newport News, Virginia. And I've been with Sequoia, I think, about a good year and a half.
Yep.
My experience is based upon I am in the real estate business. I've been in the real estate business for 36 years, but also I do commercial lending for churches. I've been doing that for quite some time in reference to churches. And as we are institute some very troubling times financially, when doors are closed for as lending money to various organizations, it opened up other doors in other areas. So I always try to make myself available to be an assistance or a person of knowledge and expertise to help those that needs funding. Um, I attend a lot of real estate meetup groups out here in my local area. We have several monthly groups that meets on a monthly basis. I try to attend many of those meetings as I can
Yes.
so I can be able to be a beacon of
Can't
light.
hear anything.
Can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you. Yes.
Okay, I try to be a beacon of light to give out my business cards, let people know that I can fund that transaction for them and things of that nature. And that just opened up many doors of clients calling, saying that they was turned down by one lender on a fix and flip, a commercial transaction, a church loan. And I just saying, hey, give me your financials. To get them to Sequoia and see what we can do to assist you. And things have been very, very successful in the past. And with the fix and flip clients, once they do one transaction, sometimes I'm not even aware they're on their second, third, or fourth transaction with Sequoia. I have somebody like Alan or Georges would call or email me, say, hey, your client's doing another loan with us. Go ahead and put the information into your back office so you can get credit for it. And I have never had any problems, one problem whatsoever with Sequoia in reference to doing any transactions or deals with them. The reason I joined Sequoia, I kind of have a good feel of various companies that is really a genuine in reference trying to help you grow your business and you helping them at vice versa. And Alan just came across as a genuine person. I don't know if it's his military background, my military background, but he is a person that's always open to give advice. You can call him, as y'all all aware of. He's going to pick up the phone, give you that advice to keep the transaction moving forward and just putting you in a good position. And I am very excited to be with Sequoia and continue to do many more transactions that I can possibly do going forward. Thank you. And also, I put my name and phone number in the chat box. Also, if anybody needs to reach out, feel free to give me a call, Bennie Miller, and I'll help you any way that I possibly can. Thank you.
Well, thank you so much, Benny. Definitely, he is the go-getter himself. Also, so he has this one client just keep coming back and keep coming back and keep coming back. So I think we already funded that client for what, at least like 6 or 7 times already. So again, thank you, Benny. But I still believe Navy is better than Army. All right, go
Yes.
Navy.